area code 3,364 to 360. Price already was sitting on above the demand after break of structure. Price came back, broke a break of the supply which came back to use as a demand floor. And on that red box, buyers have said we bank on it, and I'm seeing them moving into 403 based on the structure of the market. On this structure, yeah, you see that a tap into that structure will be around 403. We will continue to push at 403. We will meet an immediate supply. Immediate supply that we face at that level will come from this price action from here, which on 3 hours you can see is also evident after break of structure. The first break of structure will have to retest was here after price attempting to challenge the current all-time high at 3,436. There was a break of structure on that declined double top. That double top was not straight. It was a declining double top because this is the neckline of that double top. This is the neckline of that double top. This is the first M, this is the second leg of that M, and this is the neckline drop. And we have seen that was why price had a very strong bias after price broke back, the broke out from the neckline of that double top. We really had a hard time. This is the neckline. So let me get it right. I'm still gonna remove it. I don't want to add another line again to my chart. But let's keep it for reference. Let's keep it for reference. So this is the neckline of that double top. This is the neckline. So after one price broke out, it broke out from the neckline of the double top from here. So the neckline from here. After breakout, price respected it, and on that foundation, we have seen buyers rally on that floor and move out. So I want them to push a little bit into 4-3. They will definitely get there. They're already close to this one before they begin to show reluctance. 3 hours close is giving me 4-3. And a more aggressive approach, they might tap into 3 hours close of 3,433. If they do so, that will provide us a horizontal cell structure, which will coincide with another structure. And let's see if they're able to move. But don't forget that if they break out from this structure, the force might really hit hard on this line. So what we might likely do is that if they break out from that very beautiful ascending trend line, now what they will have will be here, they come back retest here and challenge the current all-time. They might do so today. They might do so today. You can never tell what the market will do. But as long as geopolitical tension persists and inflation data is showing in the United States, monetary policy is not standing and it's not giving the mandate needed, then we could see that price might continue to rally. Investors might continue to rally on gold and silver as head against inflation in times of geopolitical tension, financial crisis, and other instability. Yes, it's non-yielding, but at this time, the prevailing economic circumstance have given a buy nod for, for good. So let's see if it can push a little bit into 403. A little bit into 403 will call for a sell. Not really a sell, but correction for correction. So if it pushes into that, maybe it might call for correction. Maybe, maybe. So let's see if you can push. Let it push. Let it push into 403. If it push into 403, 403 will call for correction from that heavy bullish rally. So sometimes how we follow the market, we follow it like a baby. When you're following somebody, you can't tell him what to do. Just like a baby following his parents. You can't tell your parents what to do. You hold their hand. Anywhere they are going, you follow them. My trading strategy is to follow the market. I follow the market like a baby. knowing well that the market is more than me. So I'm not coming the market to tell the market what to do. God forbid. Come and tell market what to do. No, I can't do that. I will not do that. So we booked over 500 pips from that price action. Over 500 pips from that price action. It's over 500 pips booked on that price action. We booked more than 500 pips from a call at I called it earlier. I called it earlier. And let's see how 64 moves again. A call from that 64. Let's see if they can manage to get into 403. If they get into 403, there's a confluence sell here. The confluence sell comes from the price action from there. The supply move at this level, which drop price. And if it pushes into 403, believe it or not, they might turn into an aggressive sell because of the price action. It will provide a double confluence. They push into there. So don't be surprised it might pull back and return back to the floor. We have fundamental data coming into NFP. So investors might be assessing it. Nobody knows if the data will be a strong data. If it's a strong data, then those who have bet long on gold are going to lose money. So people are very cautious at the moment. People are playing very, very big. So you might see the market on up and down, up and down, up and down. The market might still come down here. See, I don't want to put charts, but I end up, I don't know how to escape from this thing. But this for educational purpose, so don't get it personal. Don't be personal with me. This is not how my chart is. It's not how I started, and it's not how I'm ending. So if it comes back, it will come back on confluence, where it will make a breakout from the current all-time high, descending trend line breakout, and an ascending trend line, and at that level, you will have a high probability at this level, providing you with a very nice buy opportunity. Yes, it provides a very nice buy opportunity, and I'll tell you for free, there is a price action from there that will help in providing that impetus for that buy at 318, 318, 317. Will provide a very nice, very beautiful buy impetus for that level. And it feels good if you have taken my trade in the morning when I call for a buy at 3,364 into 3,362. And I'm seeing other groups saying sell, sell. When I laugh, I knew it was not going to be for sale. I knew. So now I'm telling you this one now. This is another area. So if they come here, if they push into like I'm praying, they should come into 403. I don't want to drop it, but let me drop it for reference. That let me drop that. That's one for reference. I want to drop that one for reference so that to be on for reference. So I've changed that color so you can see it. So that's a sell zone 403. 403 is a sell zone. I'm going to call it sell zone. So that's a sell zone there. So I'm calling all of them sell zone. That's another sell zone. That's another sell zone. So let me see if the market pulls out. Then I have a pending structure somewhere which I will bring up. I don't want to show it here. I have a structure somewhere here. And the structure I have a 1 hour structure. The 1 hour structure that connect this structure around here, giving me around a break of the previous high at 3,565. So, but I want to see a breakout from here. Once we break out from here and we confirm it as a demand, then I will now clean all these ones and put that structure. But let me just do it for reference because I've already started doing something dirty already. This is the structure. But I've already started, so let me finish what I've started. So you're giving a break of a previous high by 200 pips. So I've already started it, so let me just let the chart complete. Yes, so that will be the next with the break of the previous high by 220 pips by 300 pips. So that's we started playing and we ended up in the same messy way again. So it's okay. It's educational purpose. All my charts are for educational purpose, but when I'm looking at a chart with the intention of taking a particular trade, I don't want to see more than three lines so that I stay on the game. So let's go back to our charts, and it feels good to see that I posted this in the morning on my red box. Markets buyers have heard it, and I told you this is a sign, and they will come here, and they will surely come here. Nothing will stop buyers from entering inside this green zone. Nothing will stop them. This is 97. They will continue. Even when they get into 400, they will do it extra again before they will not seek contemporary correction. And that's what I see them doing. That's what I see them doing. Shavyfxhub. Whenever I call you or text you for anything, never.